guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite hair growth accountability partner here. So if you're new to this channel, in this video, in this channel, we're currently doing a 6-month mini braid hair growth challenge, and so you get to see hair growth tips, how to maintain the braids while you are on this journey, how to also ensure that it is moisturized, and also how to make sure to avoid hair breakage, and also how to retain the length of your hair. So if your hair has been stuck in shoulder length, or you're struggling with thinning of the edges, then this channel is for you. You need to make sure that you join this hair growth challenge, and also you get to see the playlist of the previous week updates, just in case you've not been following us, okay? And in order to do that, in order to get to see that, you should subscribe to the channel, give the video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful, and also share to anyone that will be interested in content like this. So yeah, let us dive into today's purpose and updates. Okay, so guys, it is 17th week of this hair growth challenge. What has been happening? Where is the, you might be wondering, because the last update that I uploaded was week 13, which you can see from this part. But yeah, week 13, where is week 14, 15, 16? My dear, beautiful and amazing people, I've been on a very long break, like a very needed break, away from filming, away from camera. I've just been doing my things off the camera, because sometimes we just need rest. Sometimes you just need to take a break, okay? Which I don't joke with that when it comes to having breaks, resting. I don't joke with that, okay? So anytime, even though you're on your hair growth journey, sometimes you need a break, but you just have to ensure that you are also doing what you ought to do, okay? So as seen in the video, I will show you guys can see how much new growth we have already. And I also, since it's the 17th week, I had to wash the hair. So that's what I'm showing you guys. This is me after washing the hair already. Yeah, I did the washing of the camera. Like I said, I'm in my resting phase. So I'll just come and show you guys some little updates and just tell you guys the things I do off camera. Yeah, so I wash the hair, and then the next thing to do after washing, because this is like I had to refresh the braid because the new growth is really popping a lot. So I decided to refresh the braid. As you can see, like, the new growth is so much, I didn't even do it that well like that, but then it's still looking better than the earlier video you saw how much the new growth are. So this is how I'm going to be rocking this hair until the next time that I'll be refreshing it again, okay? So if you've gotten to this part of the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and also join the family. The playlist for the previous update will be shared in the comment section. And remember, don't forget your weekly routine. Apply your Ayurvedic oil or any oil available to you once or twice in a week. Make sure you're massaging your hair, make sure you're moisturizing it before you use the oil, and make sure you are sealing your hair with oil or hair butter after you moisturize it with your moisturizing product. Thank you so much for watching. If you find it helpful, like I said, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.